The iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Max and iPhone 11R will come with a 5-watt USB-A charging adapter, exactly the same as the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. This means that in order to quickly charge new Apple smartphones, customers will have to separately purchase charging adapters with more power. This was reported by trusted sources publication Macotakara. Apple will save on charging in the iPhone 11. According to sources, Apple will equip the new iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Max and iPhone 11R with a traditional Lightning connector. The transition to the USB-C connector in smartphones sample of 2019 will not occur. Also in Macotakara we learned that Apple plans to save on chargers for the new iPhone. The company intends to equip the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Max and iPhone 11R power adapter with a capacity of 5 watts, which does not provide fast charging. In order to take advantage of fast charging, which is supported in Apple smartphones starting with the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus and iPhone X, users will have to purchase a more powerful adapter. Having a low-power charging adapter with the latest iPhone models is one of the most frequent user complaints. However, in order to save, Apple apparently does not plan to deal with complaints this year.